Hello everyone. I'm having some major issues with my computer. I just got it back from sending it out for repair. I just got it back today, and now there are major issues. There's all these weird artifacts showing up on the screen, and then when I open up certain applications, more artifacts show up, like Firefox. Having trouble opening up. I don't know why. It seemed to be. That's another thing. Sometimes now, having trouble opening up, and then I get these really strange artifacts. Let me quit it. I'll open it back up. Should open right away. It normally opens right away. Having issues. Okay. Again, some kind of weird artifacts. Sometimes there's several of them. That one went through okay. That most certainly did not. Whatever that is. And that. Went through okay. That is messed up right there. Look at that. That is some messed up stuff. Okay, let me close this. iPhoto's messed up. Is it okay now? Let me close it. Reopen it. Yeah. There's some wacky stuff going on here. That's not normal. There's a bunch of videos I just shot already of this scenario. Let's try this again. And oh, take a look at this. Look at how strange this is. This white spot, that was my Microsoft Word icon that I'm sure if you rewind a couple seconds was there, and it just, the whole icon just went away. I wonder what happens if I click on this. Does it still work? Clicking, no, I guess it works. Oh, whoa. Having issues. Serious issues here. I'd really like to know if anyone else has seen this. I have never seen anything like this before, ever. No, I definitely have not seen this before. Right now it is 12:30 at night, just past midnight on Tuesday, November 13th. Let's open up iPhoto again, see what happens. Hey, it looks clean this time. Oh. Yeah, no, it looks clean. Let's try it again. It came up looking funky. Oh, what's that? Someone see that? I see it. That is not normal. That is definitely not normal. And whatever's behind there is not normal. Let me move this guy around. That's not normal either. And that, whatever that is not normal. And down there, not normal. And up there, that's not normal either. And in that corner, that's not normal. This whole thing is ridiculous. Yeah, leave a comment if this has happened to you before, uh, and let me know your thoughts. I think this is ridiculous. I think it's even more ridiculous that I just got it sent out for repair, and this is how I get it back. And I, at this point, man, I really think Apple should replace this computer because this is ridiculous. Alright, let me know what you guys think.